right, everyone. So I just wanted to give you a little bit of an explanation and an example for our binary ionic naming worksheet that I'm going to have you try to tackle this week. Now, I do want to point out one thing that makes me a little bit upset. I love this practice problem worksheet, but it does have the first letter of the names of the alphabet, or all of our elements capitalized, and please remember that I've asked you not to do that. So when you are writing out your answers, please remember everything lowercase when we're writing out names. Obviously, if you're doing symbols, you have to capitalize. Okay? We can see for the first one, we're going to have our text boxes and they're going to say type your answer here. Now, it is important that when you go to type your answer, you double click into that text box, okay, to delete. Otherwise, you will make the mistake that I initially made when I went to make this video for you, that I accidentally deleted my entire text box. So here is what I would like you to do. The first thing we're going to do is type out our ions. So sodium is Na with a +1 charge. Bromide is Br with a -1 charge. Okay, and then I'm going to put an equal sign there. Now, I would like these to be superscripted. So when you go to superscript, highlight the charge, press the control button and the period, and it will superscript your charges for you. I'm going to do the same thing for my bromine charge. Control, period. Now, this is kind of small at 10, so if you would like to make this font a little bit bigger, you can. Okay, I just made it up to 12. Now we can see that we have a +1 and a -1 charge here, and those charges again came from my periodic table. So if we were to circle flip, we would know that both ones would be going to the bottom. So my overall formula is just going to be NaBr. Okay, so that's our example for that first one. Now I'm going to scroll down and do an example problem from down here. Remember, when you go into your text box, double click to type the answer here so that you don't accidentally delete that text box. And we're going to be doing K2O. Now, if we flip our charges back up, okay, we're going to get K plus and O2 minus. Okay, so K plus and O2 minus. And again, we're just getting practice with flipping our charges. So I'm superscripting them again with the control plus function, and I'm just going to make my font a little bit bigger. Okay, and now I'm just going to name each ion. So the K plus ion is potassium, okay, and the O2 minus ion, that's oxygen, but as an anion, it's going to be oxide. So the name of my compound is just potassium oxide. So that's an example in each section for the assignment that I would like you to do this week. Again, I have office hours tomorrow and Wednesday, so I'm here if you need my help. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye.